It can be very challenging, but it can also be very rewarding.
Every story and tenant is different.
And you can see the smile on their face that, oh, finally I'm having a property of my own.
Gwybodaeth yn bod ni yn gwneud gwahaniaeth I fywyd pobl.
It's the most fundamental thing, making sure people have got a safe, secure roof over their head.
Fel ni'n dweud, mae cartref yn rhan mor allweddol o fywyd unrhyw unigolyn. A mae gwybod bod rhywun yn cael cartref maen nhw'n hapus yn efo. A'r cyfraniad mae hynny'n neud tuag at fywyd person yn lles, yn iechyd, yn hapusrwydd, yn gyfleoedd I gael gwaith, yn gyfleoedd I gael ffrindiau a teulu a perthnasau o'i cwmpas yma.
Getting 6,000 properties to have all of that work done, from having the windows, the doors and the kitchens and the bathrooms, there's so much work involved with that, and so beneficial to the tenants as well, you know, for them. Is, you know, there was the stigma of the properties not being good. They've actually got lovely properties now that they want to look after.
Every visit is different and every story and tenant is different, and the diversity of each client, it's really interesting. It's giving somebody a home.
I'm in my 12th year now, so yeah, 12 years I've been working for Wilson West Housing. There has been some diversification in terms of a lot of the housing association now have got their own repair company, they've got their own development company, even going into catering and caring. People are living longer, so in terms of the type of properties we will build, you would expect there will be more retirement scheme or specialist retirement scheme like we've got in North Wales, looking at dementia and Alzheimer's, just because people are living longer.
One of the big changes has been increased demand, whether that's for homeless people accessing homeless hostels or more of an awareness maybe of people having support needs and needing that with their accommodation. So an increase in people applying to supported housing, and also a real rise with people within general housing that come to us with a support need that's been identified later, whether that's through rent arrears due to welfare benefit changes.
I started back when it was in the council. We did a stock transfer, and it's not just the quality then of the stock, the service that's provided, the estates have improved, and the relationships have improved. People are, you know, one, they've got a nicer property, and two, they've got a nicer area to be living in.
It's more than just housing. It's, yes, people need to sustain the roof over their heads, and being able to work with a team that can get to know people and get to really understand what it is that will help them move forward and help them fulfil what they want to in their lives, so they are fully independent moving forward, and hopefully will pay that forward into the community. Personally, I think partnerships is the future. We already work in partnership with so many organisations, local authorities, etc. I think that working together with all services, whether that's health, police, everyone's budgets are being cut and squeezed, but we all have the same goal of helping people, addressing needs, and I think by working together and more smartly that we can meet those needs.
Mae cartref I bob un yn ni, fel unigolyn, fel rhan o deulu, wrth gwrs yn beth mor bwysig a yn rhan mor allweddol i'n bywyd bob dydd ni. Felly sy'n ni'n dweud, mae cael cyfle I roed cartref I bobl yn y cymunedau dyn ni'n gweithio yn nhw yn mor werthfawr. Sy'n posib rei pris yna fyddwn ni dadlau rili be mae'n gallu gyfrannu I fywyd person.
I think it's a great organisation to work for. It's a great sector to be in. Yeah, and I'm proud to say what I do.
I think there will always be that need there, and the needs will change and develop, and I think we're really well placed, that we are really creative and dynamic, and I think we will continue to develop and expand and meet those needs and challenges as they come in the future.
The difference we make to the lives of people every single day is what keeps us going and make us proud.